Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and you're here bright and confident. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. And today we're going to be talking about some things that may have grew my hair, just so you can have a few tips to carry on your journey, whether you're just now starting or you're well into your journey. I feel like this is something that's going to actually help you grow your hair and possibly help your immune system. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let's go ahead and get out the way the obvious things. Number one, I have grouped water, vitamins, stress, and genetics. Okay, as far as drinking your water, y'all know y'all supposed to drink your water. That's going to help you flourish in all different types of ways. Okay, we already know that you need healthy vitamins, especially your biotin. My hair has always been kind of thin. Well, granted, a lot of things play a part. When I grew up, I had long thick hair, and then perms and dye and all this extra stuff just kind of like played a part into it being thinner. Going into number two, and I feel like these things all need to be grouped together, which is wearing a bonnet, washing your hair, less styling. So wearing a bonnet or having a satin pillow, and I got mine off of Amazon. If you haven't seen my other Sisterlocks videos, make sure you go ahead and watch those. Make sure you're washing your hair. They always say a dirty scalp can never grow. And then also less styling. I've styled my hair a couple of times and it's been a disaster, okay? And I want to do a styles video, but I want to make sure my research collected, and I want to get a few more styles before I talk about it. But just know, I think less styling has played a part. Number three, I took care of my hair as a curly natural. And what I mean by that is I have curly ends. My hair is naturally curly. Taking care of my hair, just making sure that if I wanted to keep my ends, I take care of those properly. If my hair felt dry, moisturizing it. If my hair was flaky, making sure I either wash it or put some oil on it. If your loctician said don't put water on your hair, respect that, but ask her, can you rub a little oil in that place if you see flakiness or dryness or whatever. I started to learn by month 12, month 13 that my hair was just dry, y'all. Just dry, matted, stuck together, always marrying each other. And that was just a problem for me. So I had to talk to my loctician. Make sure you watch my everyday styling video to get an update on how I style my hair. Number four, that goes more into number three. Also, make sure you add oil and spray to your hair when needed. I was making sure I was adding oil to my hair. Just certain oils that I was using, like the melanin oil or even the oil from my loctician, Regrow It. I'll have it linked down below. And having a professional in your head, getting those regular scheduled maintenance is going to help. Having holes in your hair and having spaces in your hair to where it's not interlocked can cause breakage, and I think that's where a lot of my stuff came from when I was styling. Scheduled maintenance, having your reties, making sure you wash your hair is key. I know I'm probably all off numbers right now, but that is key, okay? So some juicy stuff. Number five, I've been taking the standard organic sulfur crystals, and these are pure MSM crystals. It supports your joints, it helps improve circulation, and also improves energy. It hydrates your skin, it supports healthy hair and strong nails, and it reduces some wrinkles and fine lines too if you're into that. MSM also improves your sleep, it detoxifies your body, mental clarity, and it also fights off cold and flu. Do I need to say anything more? I don't think so. I think you need that, okay? And number six, we have sea moss on the list. If you're new to sea moss or haven't heard about sea moss, it has about 92 to 96 minerals made up of what the body needs. It helps support things like your thyroid, immunity, your gut health, weight loss, heart health, blood, sugar. I honestly feel like it's just wonderful to have and take every day or every other day or whenever you can. This has helped me. I've been taking it for about 2 to 3 years now, and it has changed me and my family's life. So this is something I swear by, and I just think that has something to do with my hair, nails, and skin. But these are just a few things that I found that I do that may contribute heavily to my hair growth. Thank you for coming back to another video. If you have any questions or some comments, or you want to leave some growth tips down below, I can't wait to meet you down in the comments. See you back in the next video. You have a great day and a great week. Bye.